Oh boy, we have some fun stuff to open up today. Good old Amazon here. Slice through this. What do we have here? This is an hour meter, and we're going to be installing this on the Honda HRX today. I'm going to show you all the steps and everything that you need to know. So I've looked around the mower in a few different places, and I'm thinking the best place to install this is going to be in this area. At first I wanted it on the other side, especially because the way it sits in my garage, I can check the oil before I run it, also know how many hours are on it. However, I don't want this to be in the way of any of the oil changes or get oil on it when we're doing our oil change. So I've decided actually to put it on this side, and I think it'll work out just fine that way. I think it'll be easiest to remove this cover, get it completely out of the way, and then we can work with the wiring underneath here so it looks like a clean install. Let's go ahead and start. We'll start, there is a Phillips screw right here that you're going to remove, and a plastic clip that basically slides off. Pull that out, don't lose it. This is actually, this clip just slides basically right off, and then you'll be able to remove the top. We're going to remove the gas cap and set that aside. And then we're basically going to pull outwards on this. And we'll be able to just kind of move it out of the way. So why are we using an hour meter at all? The reason that we're using this, and I just want to go over this with you guys really quick, is if you look at any Honda mower or any mower of any sort, you're going to see in the maintenance schedule, each item is going to be listed off based off of hours, not miles. This isn't cars. We're going to be going based off of hours. Now, you can just go off your guesstimator and say, oh, I think that was half an hour and an hour here, or you could do it by season, or you could know exactly how many hours that you have run the machine for. So for instance, Honda says that the first oil change should be after 5 hours. Now, we're going to go off this just a slight amount, and we're actually going to do our first oil change after half an hour. We want to get a lot of that metallic out of the oil and get some fresh oil in there for the next following 4.5 hours. However, the point that I'm trying to show you here is that everything off of your mower should be done by an hour amount, and you'll know exactly how many if you put an hour meter on your unit. Now, another thing I want to point out is most of the time, not always, you will actually increase the resale value of your equipment if you have an hour meter on it. It gives people an idea of exactly how many times this has been used or how many hours it's been used. It also shows that you care about the maintenance and you want to keep up on things. So if you kind of look over here, Honda describes some things that need to be done at each hour increment. So this is 5 hours first oil change, and then we'll follow Honda's recommendations throughout the rest of the time here. We'll also be maintaining our air filter and everything that Honda recommends throughout this table here. You want to cover up your gas tank. Obviously, you don't want to spill anything in there. We're going to kind of just cover this up with a glove. You could use a plastic bag, whatever works best. Now, let's come over to the front side with our wire. We'll go ahead and take the rubber band off this. It does not matter which side of the wire you start with, but we want to wrap it around the spark plug. You want to have about this much left over. Start at the top of this gap and keep winding. Once we've got that wound up, if you can kind of push those winds together as tightly as possible, and we'll go ahead and put a zip tie on both sides of this. We'll use the smaller zip ties that are in the package. We want this to stay really tight. We'll go ahead and do this on the front of that as well. and snip off the extra. Be careful not to cut the wire. Over here towards the front, we'll take some of this extra wire and use another one of the supplied zip ties and tie some of this up so we have some extra if we ever need to take this top off for maintenance. This zip tie is a little bit longer, but we'll just like that. It's perfect. We'll snip off the extra. Let's go ahead and pull our glove off here. Make sure the wire's pulled out to the side for now. And let's set the top back on. Screw the cap on. Now there's a few things that we need to consider. First of all, there's obviously supplied screws with this, but I'm not so sure that I want to drill into the top of this just quite yet. So we're going to use some really strong double-sided tape. If we have any issues in the future, we can go ahead and just use the screws. So I'm going to set this aside for a second. I've got some alcohol here that I'm going to spray on this rag, and I want to wipe off the area that we're going to stick it on, as well as the back of this piece. Now, the hour meter goes like this, and our cord goes in this section right here. So if we put this up on top, we're going to have an issue with that cord running across the top. So we're actually going to sneak it down just a little bit past this so that we can run that cord right underneath here. Here's my double-sided tape. This is Scotch Extreme Grip. It's mounting tape and it should work great. We'll get that stuck on the back of here really nicely. And we'll go ahead and cut off the excess. That's perfect. Pull off the red tape and go ahead and stick it in place. Just like that. Now we'll kind of come up here, grab our cord and walk it around, and you're going to stick the cord in the back of that groove. Now you can cut off the excess with the wire. Also want to slide your clip back on, and we are set. Now let's make sure it works. Guys, thanks so much for watching the video. This hour meter works awesome. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. If you guys found value in this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.